everyone. Today we'll be going over how to select a comment topic. Before you begin, remember selecting a topic for a law review comment should be based on 1. Your interest, 2. The relevance to current legal issues, 3. The feasibility of writing the comment based off of the topic that you selected, and 4. The potential for the comment topic to contribute to the current legal discourse. So always remember to take the time to choose a topic that both excites you and offers the opportunity for in-depth analysis and valuable insight. When you're selecting a topic for your comment, you want to make sure that it is something that is interesting to you, because this is a long process and you don't want to get bogged down in the writing process because you selected something that you're not interested about. So, to pick a topic that you're interested in, consider an area of law that you find intriguing or an area of law that you're personally passionate about. Or you could just think about the courses that you've taken during law school or your internship or work experience or any legal issues that you've encountered that really sparked your curiosity. And you can also try to make sure that you narrow down your interest to a few specific subjects or practice areas so you can really lean on which area of law you'd want to write about for your comment. So, when you're doing research development for picking your topic, you want to make sure that you stay updated on current legal issues, stay updated on the landmark court cases that have come out from the Supreme Court or even from state Supreme Courts. Make sure you're keeping track of legislative developments and emerging trends in the legal field. And you should also keep an eye out for any areas of law that have generated significant debate or they are undergoing significant changes. So I suggest that you read legal news articles, scholarly articles, and any recent law review publications that really hone in on the recent developments of law. Another great way to develop your topic for your law review comment is reviewing legal periodicals. So, articles in law reviews, bar association publications, and legal newsletters are excellent sources of information on developments, issues, and trends in various areas of law. So, what you'd want to do when you go into Lexis or Westlaw is to narrow your content search to secondary materials and secondary sources, and that's how you will find these legal periodicals. Alternatively, and additionally, you can find these articles using a legal periodical index. And these indexes will give you information about the articles, such as the information on the authors, titles of the articles, where the articles are in the legal periodical, and the publication dates. So, a legal periodical index can be used to locate articles by subject and subtopics within the subjects, and is not limited to a particular term used in the article. The two main legal periodical indexes that we have here at Roger Williams Law School is the Current Law Index and Index to Legal Periodicals in Books. So if you guys would like to find that, you can go hop on over to the Roger Williams School of Law library to look for those books, or you can ask a staff member or a legal research librarian to help you out with that search. Another resource that you can lean on for developing your law review topic are newspapers and magazines. So, Roger Williams School of Law Library subscribes to a variety of publications that can be helpful to review when you're selecting a topic because they report on cases, legislation, and controversial legal issues that would be relevant for your topic. So, I suggest that you look into journals such as the American Lawyer, the ABA Journal, National Law Journal, etc., to help find the articles that are relevant to your topic and help find the research you need to develop your topic as well. Another interesting way to develop your comment topic is researching circuit splits. A circuit split occurs when two or more federal circuit court of appeals reach different conclusions on the same legal issue, and such a circuit split is worth investigating as a potential topic. You can search for news sources or case law that cover circuit splits in Lexis and Westlaw, and I suggest that you insert the following key terms, but you can also find different ways to search for circuit splits if you go to the reference librarian. Look for patterns among the circuit split cases you found and note which circuits have taken different positions on the issue, the arguments made by the judges, and any key factors that may have influenced the divergence of opinions. Circuit splits can also evolve over time as new cases are decided, and the issue may ultimately be resolved by the Supreme Court or through legislative action. So, to stay up to date with recent developments, you can monitor legal news, check for recent court decisions, and subscribe to relevant newsletters or alerts. As I said before, I recommend that you consult with a Roger Williams School of Law research librarian for assistance and resources for specific issues in your specific jurisdiction or on your specific topic. Social media is another great way to develop a law review comment topic. There's a thing called blogs, which are law related blogs that are typically written by law professors, and they frequently blog about controversial court cases and offer analysis and commentary on issues and developments in the law. ABA has a blog directory, and you can search for over 3,000 blogs by topic, author type, region, or law school, and Justia has a directory as well. There's also an RSS feed on First Circuit opinions and oral arguments that can be a helpful tool for looking for comment topics. And Twitter is also another great resource because they have latest developments on the law, but they don't include lengthy news stories or blog posts. So if you don't have the time to read through all that information, following a relevant law blogger on Twitter would be a helpful way to find your comment topic. This slide in particular are for members writing for the Rhode Island edition of our journal. So there are local resources that can be used to find Rhode Island law topic ideas. Older issues of these following publications are available in the library's collection or on subscription databases. So you have the Providence Journal Bulletin blend of local news, commentary, searchable classifieds, and advertising. The archives contain articles since 1983. The archives may be searched for free, but there is a fee to retrieve an article. And then you also have the Providence Business News articles from the weekly newspaper, and an archive is available for searching as well. And then there is the Rhode Island Lawyers Weekly, and that is a commercial site maintained by the publishers of the Rhode Island Lawyers Weekly that you can also access. But even after doing all this research and reviewing your PowerPoint, there are some students who are still stumped when it comes to selecting their comment topic. So the last thing I do suggest is contacting or scheduling an appointment with a reference librarian, because the reference librarians can help you navigate the wide array of resources at the library that you can use to narrow down a topic. And in this PowerPoint, I have their email, their phone number, and you can also go to the Roger Williams Law Library webpage and use the Ask a Librarian research feature so you can see if you can get help to narrow down a topic.